I just continued knitting without you. Look, it looks great, doesn't it? I'm on round 14 and I've got a few exciting tricks in store for you on how to knit even better. I want to help you look your stitches nice and regular. Here we go. Put away your needle and hold the work at the top and below. Now move your knitting. Do some smooth back and forth movements. And that's how our stitches and the threads that run through the back get neatly sorted. And that's how you get great stitches. And we can already see our pattern here. And the second great advice I want to give you is this. But first, let me show you how to hold your threads again, because I promised. Index finger from below and from above. And we're on round 14. Round 14 has a lot of dark fields here. And as you can see, our dark thread is on the back. So the purple thread for the dark fields is in the back. The reason why it's in the back, weaving in ground color is so much easier. But I want to show you how it works the other way around on round 15. But first, let's do our round 14. We do 14. Our last needle, 1 contrast color, 3 times ground color. Now third stitch I have to cross here. I will show you that in a separate video. The rest of the stitches are all dark. I already know that. And my weaving in here works so good because my dark thread is in the back. Last one and knit normally. Okay, so we change. We go to round 15. I move my paper. Round 15, a lot of ground color. So now I change the threads on my finger. Means with my index, I go below contrast color and from above in ground color. The other way around as before, and I can tuck my threads between my ring finger and the pinky. So there are people, they say you should not do that. But I say, doesn't matter with our PULSEIRA here. We're young and wild and we sometimes disregard traditional options, do we? We do it completely differently now and it works. We have many light fields here, 7. And with weaving in, it works so much better now. Okay, 1, 2, 3. As you can see, weaving in, very easy. The next is normal. And next one below and weaving in. And the next is normal again, our stitch 7. So I have 7 green ones. Now I have 2 in purple and another 2 in green. Okay, 1, 2 contrast color and 2 in ground color. That was my trick. to get through longer stretches with a change of threads. In round 16, that's the case again, but we still have 2 needles to go from 15. I'll do those now, and you have my tips. I'll see you again at the end. I'll show you how to bind off your stitches. Okay, see you.